and welcome back to the 3B Kids of Texas channel. Today we're going to learn about Georgia. What do you all know about Georgia?
I know the capital is Atlanta and they're known for peaches.
The Western Scarf Tournament is there in Augusta.
They're also known for Vidalia onions. And today we are going to mix peaches and Vidalia onions. Monks planted the first peach trees in Georgia in the 1500s.
This is where Georgia is located. And this is a better look at the state of the state.
Let's get to making our peach and Vidalia onion salad. Directly from our United Tastes of America cookbook.
We need 6 medium-sized peaches. We need to cut them into wedges. Does Mama let you use a knife yet?
Totally not. Because they're dangerous, they might cut us.
Mom lets me use a knife for chicken and my hot dogs. Well, I know how to cut.
I know how to use butter with a knife. That's a totally different knife.
I got a solution. Bam! Cut peaches.
Poof. Cut peaches. We need 1 tablespoon lemon juice.
We need 1 tablespoon honey.
We need a 1/4 cup Vidalia onion.
Season lightly with salt.
Stir it all around. Hold on, guys.
After you're done stirring it real good, transfer it into your favorite serving plate.
Go to the garden and get some fresh mint. Take the leaves off and sprinkle them on the salad. Ta-da!
If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye! Be good. Love you.
And woo!
And goodbye.
Bye. We kept the peach seed so we can plant it and grow one. I wonder how long it would take.
Yeah. Might take a long time.
Yeah.
Because it needs sun, water, and soil.
I'm gonna taste this.
Yeah.
No, I'm not. Yuck. Maybe I just try one more of this.
What do you think?
I do not like it.
Me neither.
Yeah. Yuck.
Well,
All 3 of us don't like it.
I like the inside of it, but not the skin.
But maybe we don't need this again. Let's never make this again. Evil, never, 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 never.